Adoma, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Nissan, please help me subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification so every time I have new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2018 Nissan Maxima here, 3.5. So right now the problem with the car is the AC. The AC, you can turn the AC to high and low, everything works, the fan works, all that, the mode works. Now you're gonna, the AC, turn it on, works, dual work. The only problem is when I turn it on to AC, all it is just normal air coming out, just normal air. There's no cold air at all. Now you can see on the cluster here, it says -22, so that's very cold. Now when I try to read the code on the HVAC, this is a code that they're giving me for the ambient temperature sensor. When I checked it out, when I checked it on the computer, it says if the ambient temperature sensor is going bad or is missing, it'll stop the compressor from charging and then blowing cold air in here. That's why you can see it says -22. So when I checked the ambient temperature sensor from the outside, this car was in an accident and they did not put the ambient temperature sensor back in, and the connector, it was missing. So this is why it's throwing me that code. Now because of this code is throwing, the computer thinks that the outside temperature is under 22 degree. It's crazy cold, so it won't let the compressor to kick in to charge and then blow in cool air. So now I'm going to show you the data on the now you can see ambient temperature sensor -22. That's exactly the same as the one on the cluster. Because the computer think it's too cold, it would not let you turn on the AC. Now you can see right there, same thing on down here too. Calculate -22, -22, and when I looked at it, the sensor was missing and the connector was missing too. It was cut off. Let me show you. So I told you guys this car been in an accident. All they do is they taped it in the front. So I'm at the lower cover front bumper, and look what I found. Broken wire for the ambient temperature sensor. It's supposed to sit here, right here, and the connector is missing. Now this is the ambient temperature sensor right here. This one I bought OEM from Nissan. This is the part number. It says Nissan right there, OEM part number. Now for the connector, they don't have it. They have it back order. It's gonna take a couple months, so I'm gonna have to do this the cheap way. Now since they don't have the pigtail connector, I have to do it this way. I have to buy the male terminal, and then I'm gonna plug it into the sensor like this. I'm gonna crimp this. Now what I did is I soldered the tip a little bit, make it a little bit thicker, so that way it fits the hole inside here. So when I crimp it, it's more snug. You can see I plugged it into the sensor. The terminal doesn't touch at all, so that's good. And I'm just gonna plug it back up here. This way is better. There you go. There you go. That's good. I just put the cover back. Now you can see my temp gauge right here for the outside. For the air from the outside, it says 72 right now. So you can see it changes the reading right away, the temperature outside. If yours doesn't reset, just take it out for a drive about 2-3 minutes and then turn it off, turn it back on, turn it off, turn it back on. It should reset itself. But now I'm gonna show you the code one more time before I clear it. Oh, the AC is getting cold already, I can tell. It's working now. But I'm gonna show you the code. So I'm in AC code. Now when I go into read code, it's gonna test itself out, the whole AC system. It's gonna test all the different mode, the windshield, the feet, and everything. You can see, you can hear it. It's testing itself right now, so I'm just gonna let it test itself. After it's done, I'm gonna show you the code. Now let me show you the data on the ambient temperature sensor. Now it's gonna be reading the same thing as the one on the outside. You can see 77, 74. That's close enough. I just got to take it out for a drive for it to have the accurate reading, but that's pretty close enough already. Now we're back to the AC code. You can see right there, B257C ambient sensor. Remember before on my cluster it says negative 22. Because it says negative 22, it trick out the computer not to kick on the compressor. I think that's kind of part of the safety, because if it's under negative 22, it's pretty crazy code. So I already cleared the code. I'm gonna turn off car, turn it back on. I'm gonna test the AC. Give it about like 2-3 seconds. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we are back alive. The AC is good. Super cold right now, guys. So this is a very common issue with the Nissan Maxima. If the ambient temperature sensor is going bad, or it's missing, the connector is missing, it'll throw you a ambient sensor code like this one, and then the temperature outside will either throw you a very high temp or very low temp. It's gonna glitch out the computer, and then it's not gonna kick on the compressor. So that's why it's not getting cold air on the inside. But everything is working normally now. Everything is good. Super cold, all the vent. Yes. So that is it for this video, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I don't mind. I'm out. Peace.